in behalf of our family, I would like to thank the parish of the Tibito of Our Lady for being welcoming us in mourning for the passing of my wife. I stand before today not just as his husband, but as a man whose life was forever changed by one woman's love. Anne was my home. She was my peace. She was the quiet strength that held our family together. And today, while my heart is breaking, it is also full of gratitude that God allowed me to love her and be loved by her for as long as He did. From the very beginning, my wife Annie was never ordinary. When she walked down the aisle toward me, and I sang Kanlumpa, I knew in my heart that I was receiving a love that would carry me through